So I realized I've taken a lot of time uh, posting videos of various other junkyards. I haven't done any around our place. So 924 notchback, the original Breaking Bad bus. So this thing, no exaggeration, this thing was somebody's backyard playhouse for their kids. It's a shame too because it was a sunroof, but don't worry, that got harvested. 71 914 with a 2-liter in it, 64 convertible Ghia. That's a someday soon project. 72, I think, 914. 69 Westy bus. 75 bus. Part storage, obviously. Old airplane frame. That's going to be a flight simulator. 83 944. Another 924. Another 914. That one's a Euro model. 928. You noticed a theme here. Lots of things that'll probably be worth something someday, but aren't right now. This is the coolest part out here right now. Got a video on that a while back, but it's a 66 bug front end modified into a grill. Let's spin you around here. Early 85 944 78 Alpha Boxster 57 oval rag. It's been in a lot of videos. Haven't ever done any on just it. Another 914 project for someday. Right hand drive MGB GT. Spitfire 914 914 bike, little mini chopper. All right, that's it for now.